Hello programmers, welcome to my YouTube channel Techie Projects. So in this video I will show you the speech emotion detection using deep learning. So in that project user have to upload their audio, or user can record their audio, and the model will recognize the emotion from the speech.
So in this I can simply import the audio or record my own voice. And by clicking on detect the emotion, I can detect the whatever the emotion is there. By clicking the software, I can know about the software, whatever the things there in software, and your names would be mentioned either. So yeah, let me first of all play this.
Ladies and gentlemen, am I totally screwed or what?
I'll just detect what is the emotion in this audio. Selected this audio file. It is showing anger. Let me play another audio file.
You've been acting really weird lately.
Guess what is the audio for emotion in this one? It is disgust. Another audio file. Says happy. This was the audio file that I had.
Thank God it's Friday!
And it said is happy. I can also click on start recording to record my own voice. And here I am recording my voice. I can click stop recording. It has selected my audio file. Detect, it says happy. That means I am happy according to my voice sample. Simply I can click exit to exit.
This is the complete project. If you are in doubt, then you can comment in the comment section. Thank you friends for watching my video. If you are new, then subscribe channel and share with your friend. Thank you.